Hello everyone, this will be my multimodal research proposal on the ways of teaching English language learners. So here we have a map that represents the percentage of public schools who were English language learners in the year of 2017. There are about 10 states that report the highest percentage of English language learners in their public schools. These numbers reflect that there is an increase of ELL students that constitutes an average 10% of the total public schools enrollment. It is apparent that ELL are growing part of our students' population, and under Every Student Succeeds Act, which is a law that was enacted in holding schools accountable for how students learn and achieve, the states must assess and develop new accountability systems that include long-term goals and measures of progress for English language learners. The percentage rate of English language learners is concerning compared to their non-English language learners peers. As we can see here on this data is showing the reading and also the writing and mathematics by grade. So the reading, writing, and mathematics proficiency demonstrates post-secondary readiness, which can lead to more successful employment outcomes. Looking closely at this data, English language learners have stalled in progressing towards English proficiency and are struggling academically and the risk of not meeting academic standards. The role of technology has become an important aspect in education and its ability to offer more opportunities for students to progress. Schools can use this power tool to reinvent their teaching approaches and create supportive learning experiences that can help English language learners adapt and thrive. The benefits of technology is that it builds an advanced relationship between the educator and English language learners outside the classroom through collaboration and tutoring. The potential for digital tools to aid students are also reflected among non-English language learners, where 50% claim it has made writing easier. Incorporating learning technology that is aimed at English language learners' level of academic proficiency provides a more supportive approach in overcoming and targeting the basic skills required for academic success, which can increase the English language learners' engagement with the material where they lag behind.